Hello everyone, I am Sagar and today I'm going to help you in solving problem of the day. So problem of the day is recursive sequence. So what does it say? So let me read the question for you. So it says that a function f is defined as follows. You can read the equation fn up to n terms. Look at the examples for the better clarity. Given an integer n, determine the fn. Not as the answer can be very large, return the answer modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So let me explain you this question with this example where n equal to 5. So let me, for example, if we have given n equal to 5, then we will run a loop from I is equal to 1 to I equal to 5. And for every I, for example, if I is equal to 1, then I have to do 1. For I is equal to, I have to do uh, 2 and 3, and for I is equal to 3 I have to do 4, 5, 6, and for I is equal to 4 I have to do something like 7 into 8 into 9 into 10, and for I is equal to 5 I have to do something like I have to start from 11, 11 into 12 into 13 into 14, sorry, 14 into 15. So then for example, so you can see that they are doing the same that I have done. And after calculating for every I, we will sum them. For example, we will add 1 plus 2 into 3, and we will add this, and we will add this, and we will add this. So after adding all this, we will get an answer. So this all we have to do. If you have a, if you are at index 3, then you have to run for loop 3 times. If you are at 4, then you have to run for loop 4 times. If you are at 5, then you have to run for loop 5 times. So what are we going to do? We will make a global variable answer, and we will keep it 0, and we will run a for loop from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n, and for every I, we will run another for loop. Will start from 1, and that will go to I, and for every j, we have to calculate temp equal to temp into previous is something like initially we will keep previous equal to 1, then it will keep on increasing when we will start no calculating our answer. So uh, let me code this question for you, then you will get better clarity about my approach. So first you can see that our answer, our answer is going to be very large, so we have to store everything in long, otherwise value will be overflow. And we have to do modulo, that is 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So I will declare a global variable with the name modulo, and I will initialize it with 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. And I will initialize another variable answer, and a previous, which is going to be 1. Then I will start my for loop from I is equal to 1 to I less than equal to n, and for every I will make another temp variable. I will initialize that temp variable with 1, and I will again run a for loop which will start from 1, and that will go to I, and for every j we will calculate our answer. For example, temp is equal to temp into previous, and we will increase our previous, and you can see that we are multiplying temp with previous. So this value can be overflowed, so that we have to do modulo here. After calculating for this I, we will add our calculated temp in our answer. So this what we are doing in this step, and this again the same step, it can overflow, so we will use modulo here. Temp answer. Okay, then at the last I will return my answer. So looks cool. It's giving me correct answer. So let me submit this code. So you can see that I'm getting my correct answer. So let me tell you the time complexity for this approach. So you can see that there is one more loop inside a loop. So for every I, it is going to run from j is equal to 1 to I. So for every iteration of I, there is another loop inside I. So the time complexity is going to be n square for sure. And if I talk about space complexity, then we are not using any extra space. We are just declaring answer and previous, so the space is constant. So this is all about today's question. Thank you.